Ready to unlock the full potential of decentralized finance on Solana using Raydium and your Phantom wallet? First, make sure your Phantom wallet is set up and you've got some Solana, or SOL, to cover those transaction fees. Next, head over to Raydium in your browser. This is your gateway to the Raydium DEX. Look for the Connect Wallet button. Usually in the top right corner, click it. A list of wallet options will appear. Select Phantom. Phantom wallet will then pop up, asking for permission to connect to Raydium. Review the request and click Connect. Now you're connected. To swap tokens, choose the token you want to trade from, like SOL, and the token you want to swap to, like USDC. Enter the amount you want to swap, and click the Swap button. Confirm the transaction in your Phantom wallet. Want to provide liquidity? Click on the Pools tab. Here you can add liquidity to different pools. Choose a pool, deposit equal values of both tokens, and approve the transactions in your Phantom wallet. For yield farming opportunities, check out the Farms tab. Stake your LP tokens to earn rewards. Select a farm, stake your LP tokens, and start earning. Remember to always do your own research before investing.